Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Blender's add-on community never seems to slow down, and July brought some really impressive releases. In this video, we'll go through a collection of new add-ons that can help you work faster, unlock new creative possibilities, and make working in Blender a whole lot more enjoyable. I will also share my favorite ones at the end that you will love, and as always, you'll find links to everything in the description below. First on the list is the all-new Physical Atmosphere 2. With this version 2, you can create physically accurate skies in a matter of clicks. You can even fly out into the space, and the light scattering looks realistic. Volumetric clouds that render in real time. Highly customizable in 4 procedural cloud layers. Just move a slider, watch them add life into your scenes. Controls that make complex skies feel effortless to shape. And the best part? You can set positions that matches reality. Just set date, time, and location for exact positions for sun and moon. And all this I just mentioned is just the tip of the iceberg. Be sure to subscribe because I have a dedicated video coming soon. And by the way, if you already own the Physical Star Light and Atmosphere, you can get 70% discount on it. Next up is Ocean Painter. It is a professional, layered water pipeline that brings real water and real caustics into Blender. It unites 3 sources of water detail, photo-scanned real surfaces, simulated waves, and procedural ocean, into a single art-directable system, composited in the height domain and finished with physically grounded caustics and foam. It is in active development and available now as early access at a reduced price. By the way, make sure to check out his real water caustics generator. Gives realistic results in real time. Bioform, a fully procedural biological material library for artists who need biology that holds up under a close render. Materials that are fully procedural, resolution independent, and grounded in how tissue really looks. Nothing to unwrap, nothing to rebake. Just controls you turn until it's right. Bioform is what I reach for now. I hope it saves you the fight of weeks of research. Light Wrangler and Snapshot Bundle is here. If you don't already know about Light Wrangler, it allows you to add lights by pointing your cursor at the surface, and your light follows in real time. Sculpt your scene with real-world Studio HDR textures, animated Gobos, photometric IES profiles, and interactive flags, all controlled from shortcuts and a single slider without breaking your creative flow. And Snapshot allows you to shoot snapshots of your scene as you work. Every save creates a visual record of your exact lighting, camera, material, and object states without overwriting anything. Compare variations side by side in a film strip, cycle A/B tests directly in the viewport, narrow down your favorites, and render the winning look. Need to build jaw-dropping 3D landscapes without the endless grid grind? Meet Terrain Mixer Pro, the ultimate terrain add-on for Blender. It is an entirely new terrain building platform that takes inspiration from the ideas that made Terrain Mixer unique while pushing them much further. It represents a new generation of terrain creation tools for Blender, built for artists who need more control, more speed, and more possibilities than ever before. Whether you're a game dev, concept artist, or map painter, this tool completely redefines your workflow. Moving to animation Motiongen. Say goodbye to expensive mocap suits and complex studio setups. Motiongen, by the creator of Simply Tear and Simply Shatter, brings professional-grade AI motion capture straight into your Blender viewport. Just drop in a video. No markers, no sensors, no internet connection or cloud usage, no subscriptions or payments for processing, no hassle. Fully local, but you do need any NVIDIA's RTX GPU for it to work locally. And watch it transform into fully rigged, production-ready character animations in seconds. Extract motion data from MP4 or AVI video files with advanced AI detection algorithms. Process videos without any length limit. The add-on comes with automatic jitter removal and smooths out rough motion, while smart keyframe reduction gives you clean, editable animation curves. You stay in full control with adjustable cutoff values and reduction percentages. You can even export your animations to Unreal Engine, Unity, or any major game development pipeline. Super easily. Speaking of animations, are your 3D character animations looking a little robotic? Slipping feet, floaty jumps, and hours lost staring at confusing graph editors? What if I told you real-world physics could do the heavy lifting for you? Keyframe animation is notoriously brutal for beginners. Cascadeur completely flips the script. Instead of fighting splines and keyframes, Cascadeur uses a physics-first approach to make your characters move like they actually have weight. Here's why it's a massive game changer. First up, auto-posing. Instead of moving every single joint manually, just drag a hand or a foot. Cascadeur's smart rig instantly calculates the natural balance and center of mass for the entire body. Your character shifts their weight automatically, just like a real person would. But here is where it gets crazy. Let's say you're animating a jump. Set your key poses, hit the auto physics button, and the engine instantly calculates the correct real-world momentum, gravity, and trajectory. No more weightless, floating characters. It literally snaps your animation into a physically accurate arc. You get AAA quality animation in minutes. No need to spend days manually animating in Blender. And the best part? If you want to change the direction or have your character jump, you can simply add another keyframe or update the existing ones, and you will instantly get new animation, which if you want to do in Blender, you will have to scrap most of your animation, and hours you spend finishing it will be wasted. Cascadeur, it slides perfectly into your workflow. Just export your polished FBX and drop it straight into Blender 5.1 for your final render. Stop fighting physics and let Cascadeur do it for you. I mentioned a few handful features, but there are tons of tools you can use to create animation, and you are not limited to human characters. You can also rig and animate quadrupeds. That means animals, creatures, and non-human characters are becoming easier to pose and animate with more natural results. It's basically a cheat code. If you want to test it out, to see if it's really something you want, you can start 14-day trial with coupon code in the description to also get 15% off if you also plan to get full version. So why is Cascadeur a big deal? Because it gives artists more control, more speed, and more confidence. You can animate faster. You can clean up motion easier. And you can use powerful tools without losing your creative control. For solo developers, indie creators, game animators, and 3D artists, this is exactly the kind of software that can save days of work and make animation feel less intimidating. Now back to add-ons. Smooth Weights by Brave Rabbit. It is an interactive, painting-style brush for relaxing and blending skin weights directly in pose. It is built for character artists who spend hours cleaning up deformation weights by continuously switching between pose and weight paint mode, and want that work to go faster and cleaner. The tool was profiled and optimized for production scale meshes. Adaptive auto skinning. This add-on automatic skins whole characters. If we do it manually, it takes hours of weight painting for full character or a fight with automatic weights. Adaptive auto skinning binds the whole rig, body plus clothing, in one click, with every vertex weighted. It is volumetric skinning reinvented for fingers and tight zones. The grid stays coarse through the body and refines exactly where two surfaces almost touch. Hurricane, created by the folks at BFX Studios, creators of the popular RBD Lab and these amazing Blender add-ons. Hurricane is a revolutionary tool for generating high-fidelity particle systems. Thanks to its unified architecture, it allows you to simulate fluids, cloth, soft bodies, and granular dynamics, sand, interacting with each other simultaneously in a single physical simulation. It's currently in beta. The engine works in an ultra-optimized way via CPU, making the most of multi-core processors. But once the final version is released soon, it will feature full GPU support for both physical simulation and mesh generation, whitewater particles, foam/splashes, etc. Additionally, subsequent updates will include advanced flip and MPM solvers. Crayon Box is the best add-on for managing materials in Blender. The creator took inspiration from Cinema, Maya, ZBrush, Substance Painter, noticing what features work best from each one along the way. And now Crayon Box is bringing some of those best practices into Blender's material management. There is a huge list of tools that are included. Dovetail Key. So if you are someone who does 3D printing a lot, then Dovetail Key is a must-have add-on. Just draw a line across any model. It splits into printable parts joined by a strong, self-locking joints. In 2 clicks, no manual booleans, no crashing on heavy sculpts. You can adjust the size, height, and depth of the key live until the fit is exactly right for your print. DraftCraft turns your 3D viewport into an AI concept render that keeps the shapes, proportions, and perspective of your model, because the depth map is computed exactly from your geometry, not estimated from a screenshot. That is the difference you see when the result actually holds your design instead of hallucinating a new one. Everything runs 100% locally on your NVIDIA GPU. Your models, prompts, and images never leave your machine. No uploads, no credit system, no monthly fee. Buy once, generate as much as you want. Damage Control Bundle by EmbraceFX. It offers you 4 main set of tools that work from your asset library. Smudge Mask Generator. Gives you parametric and procedural control on your smudges and grunges. It's mainly built to linearize your building assets texturing workflows, but with clever usage, it can handle a lot of things. Scatter Tools. A set of unusually convenient scattering options that help you finalize your assets. With powerful options, you can easily build your own presets to just copy and paste throughout the scene. Generative Tools. helpful little things that really makes the final details come alive. More tools coming later on free updates. Infinite Fracture, generative tool, as well looping instances-based tool that makes it super fast to create fractured roads and bridges, or just huge flat areas. You control everything. Extra shaders. Few extra shaders to grunge your assets for the last time. More tools coming later. Mega presets. Combine smudge mask and scatter tools for easy pre-made materials and scatter debris. Let's talk about BlendKit. It is one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. BlendKit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 143,000 Blender assets, a collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. If you use my link, you get 10% off on Pro Plan. BlendKit add-on allows you to download assets right from inside of Blender, and the add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. You can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators, or even sell your own assets within the community and earn money yourself. Now I will share with you my favorite add-ons. We have Lightweaver. Lightweaver allows you to create cinematic color grading directly in Blender. No XR, no Nuke, no Photoshop, and the kind of color grading this add-on does is on a next level and looks amazing. You can make your scenes look like they came straight from Hollywood. Lightweaver is designed for Blender users who want precise control over color and lighting, without leaving the software they know. Forge is the best CAD modeling add-on ever created for Blender. Model hard surface shapes with mathematical accuracy. With the ability to create complex designs, Forge doesn't just sit on top of Blender. There is a fully dedicated workspace. Just like Edit Mode, enter Forge Mode to access a unified CAD environment seamlessly embedded inside your 3D viewport. Let's talk about a few of its features. Instantly generate hollow or solid tubes along any sketch trajectory. Define precise engineering profiles and complex hard surface boundaries. Draw smooth, continuous curves to guide your lofts and sweeps. Live cuts, unions, and intersections with a real-time ghost preview. Mathematically flawless surface blends and precise angled bevels that standard polygons simply cannot produce. Remove excess sketch lines or overlapping body geometry with pinpoint accuracy. Reflect sketches and solid bodies across any axis. Flawlessly import and export STEP, IGS, and BREP directly from your Blender viewport. When your CAD design is ready, instantly convert it into Blender Mesh. You don't even have to worry about topology because it makes nice and clean animation-ready mesh. Forge V1 is just the beginning. You can check the roadmap at the bottom of the page. Lazy Interiors add-on by the folks at Lazy 3D. So this add-on allows you to build interior scenes faster with a clean browser-style workflow. Add assets by category, import ready-made scenes by category, and use quick snap tools for fast, precise object placement, plus a materials library for instant look development. And it includes 380 high-quality interior assets, 34 ready-to-use interior scenes, and 60-plus materials. This is a large library, which totals to 45 gigabytes. Snapshot Addon. This add-on is a game-changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots lets you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, snapshots completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. Link in the description. Go check it out. Next up, Gobos Master V3 is amazing, and this update allows you to add your own custom Gobos, and offers multi-layer mode allowing you to mix and match up to 10 Gobos, allowing you to create amazing scenes in seconds. You can now apply blur individually to each Gobo layer for added depth and realism. And this is just the beginning. Over 200 new Gobos are currently in development and will be rolling out soon. And to take things even further, you can add Fog Cube with a single click and easy fog controls available right in the add-on panel. V4 is right around the corner, so keep your eyes open for its drop. Polydome. It is the ultimate HDRI dome plugin for Blender. This add-on is amazing, and I will tell you why. It allows you to add seamless floor matching, reflections, and procedural puddles for next-level realism. And this add-on works seamlessly with Polyheaven add-on. And the best thing is that it also offers Box Dome for indoor HDRI projection. For example, for rooms or anything that can be used with it, along with HDRI color adjustment controls on the fly. So if you are struggling with manually adding and projecting HDRIs, then this add-on is for you. And after installing, all the add-on your end panel will become cluttered. And to manage that, we have an amazing add-on called End Panel Manager. It helps organize the end panel. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, for example, grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the End Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. So that's been it. Let me know what you guys think about these add-ons and which are your favorites. Be sure to check out the links in the description. Also, do let me know your favorites add-ons you'd like other Blender users to find out about. I will include them in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Blender content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.